We're excited that our Christmas trees have arrived at Brookfield, and we just wanted to show you a bit of a collection of what we've got. So these are our large Norfolk Pines. These are locally grown, and these are great for hanging decorations on. They've got lovely strong branches. So most of them are around this kind of height. We also have the Pinus Radiata. Now this is the Christmas tree that gives you that beautiful smell when you touch the foliage, and the heat brings out that beautiful smell as well. And they're nice and big and full this year, and lots of branches to hang decent decorations on as well. In our medium-sized trees, we've got Spartans. They're a good size. These can also go out in the garden afterwards. They're a really beautiful conifer in our climate. We've got the Daintree Pines. These are native to Queensland, so they're a beautiful selection to have. They're a very dainty little tree. We've also got small Pinus Radiatas, so again the one with the smell. And if you're looking for something a bit different, we've got the blue ice, and this has got this amazing coloured foliage which nearly decorates itself. We've also got some small trees that you can use for table toppers or even for gifts for the hostess that's got everything. There's this beautiful blue point that would look so lovely on a coffee table surrounded by beautiful presents in a nice pot. So just a few tips and tricks for keeping your tree healthy and happy during the Christmas period. So just keep a drip tray underneath it. That's going to help to catch the moisture going through it when you're watering it. But every day check the top of the soil. Stick your finger in a good couple of inches and see how moist it is. This one is probably ready for a small drink of water. So every day on these big pots, I would be giving them probably about a litre of water, and just check to see how much comes out the bottom. When the Christmas period is over and you take your tree outside, because it's been inside, it needs to get used to the sun again. So put it on the veranda and just have it there for about a week or so with just a little bit of morning sunshine, and then extend that sunshine period a bit longer for another week, and so on until they're ready to go back out into the full sun again. When you take them outside, give them a good drink with the seaweed solution. That helps to settle the shock and take the stress out of the trees being inside, and gives them just a little gentle feed to get them going again.